Jennifer Shira, and I am so honored to walk with you and to share this incredible offering with you. And as we open this golden gateway of light, the offering of the Illumined ones, the Mary Magdalene and Hathor, Golden Codes Illumination, the 1010 portal, 5-week activation immersion, and it's offered online or in person, live from beautiful LEMURIA on the Big Island of Hawaii. It is an offering that is coming in, and the dates are October 1st. We begin in the season of Libra, and it's October 1st through November 5th. And it'll be 4 temple sessions and centered around the incredibly powerful 1010 portal ceremony initiation. And I invite you to join with us as we are being called to the temple, and Mary Magdalene and Hathor are calling us to walk and join with them in the Golden Temple of Light, this new Golden Temple that was activated on the Lionsgate 8-8 portal as the physical structures are now activating on the planet for the new Golden Age and the new Golden World. And now the Golden Priest and Priestesses are being called back to the temple and to fulfill the Golden Prophecy, which states that the new Golden Age will begin when the new golden beings and the shining ones and the illumined ones rise and return to the temple. And so this is the calling is for you, beloved, and calling of the Golden Priest and Priestesses to return to the temple, and the new Golden Codes of Illumination are activating. Mary Magdalene and Hathor are stepping into their higher ascension, and Mary Magdalene is opening her next level of golden ascension as we move into the Golden Age. We're in the Aquarian Age right now, and the Piscean Age of the Rose lineage and all the beauty of that incredible sacred wisdoms and lineage and foundation of your body and your feelings and your sacred sexuality are all now ready to ascend. And this is your foundation, the Rose lineage, and your incredible embodied work and deep soul work and your path has created a foundation, your inner union. So now we can ascend higher into the next golden energies and the next lineage, the highest lineage of light for your soul's destiny and your golden destiny. And Mary Magdalene and Hathor are calling us in to open this again. And the Magdalene Hathor divine connection will be revealed in our immersion, and this is the return of the original priestess lineage for Earth. And so I call you to tune in and to feel this call within you as we begin in Libra season on October 1st with our first temple session. We'll be preparing your field with a womb, yoni, gates of light, activation, illumination. And this is the next level of womb healing and taking us to the next level to prepare for the light conception codes and all that is coming in. And on our first temple session, we will then also move into a beautiful inner sacred union marriage ceremony to balance and grid all of this to prepare your field for the 1010 portal initiation ceremony on October 10th. And so as we move together through the 4 sessions in the 5 weeks, we will be opening and gridding with Mary Magdalene. Isis will be joining us, as well as many high gold beings of light will be joining us with this incredible power of the energies that we will be opening together again and on Earth. And so you might be feeling this soul call and your connection with Mary Magdalene and with Goddess Hathor and with the divine feminine and with the light conception codes and the embodiment path and the Rose Mystica and all that has grounded within you to now take this higher. Because as we ascend higher as Earth and as humanity, you're ascending into your highest timeline, as well as the ascended masters and all who are connected with this planet. We're all doing it together. It's not separate any longer. And so this new Golden Temple of Light that was activated and is the source center for the new golden world. Every civilization has its sacred wisdoms and its sacred energies held within the sacred temples. And so this Golden Temple of Light is that sacred inner sanctum. And so we will be holding those energies as it grids within the new golden age. And only the golden priest and priestesses hold this and carry this for the new golden world. And so the importance and the power of this remembrance coming back in and our gathering together again is will change this planet, and will change the energies opening lighter and lighter into the golden age as we're on the precipice of all that is opening. And so I invite you to join us and to open these codes together, your golden codes of illumination, as you join with Mary Magdalene and Hathor in the deep inner sanctum and are being held by this incredible lineage of light that is your star family and your soul remembrance. And as we walk together, and we will have a Facebook community group so you can meet your soul family and share and connect, and we will have incredible practices and ceremony and light code activations and temple initiations, and sharing circle. Will also have the most popular, the Oracle Round Table with Mary Magdalene and Hathor, where you will, when you join live with us, you will get direct channeling and transmission that comes through me, but it's through Mary Magdalene Hathor, and get answers to your questions, clarity, direction, answers, and messages. And this is going to be in one of our temple sessions. So you will have direct connection, and that's why we're limiting the spaces for this immersion, so that everyone who comes in live will have that ability to have that access of that direct channeled message that will truly be so spectacular. And so I invite you to join us in the temple, the golden temple of light for the new golden world, illumined ones, the Mary Magdalene and Hathor golden illumination activation 5-week immersion, online or in person. You can find it on lightpriestesstemple.com. You can click below at the link and step into your highest timeline and pass through the beautiful golden gateway of your golden illumination and walk into your golden destiny as we grid these incredible golden codes throughout Earth and for all of humanity and the new humankind of light, and step into your rightful place as the priests and priestesses of the golden temple, the golden priests and priestesses returning to Earth. And I invite you to join us and take your sacred place within the circle. And so much love to you. And I so look forward to, and I'm so honored to walk with you and to share this incredible, never before on the planet journey with Mary Magdalene as they walk their path of ascension with us. And you will walk and receive all the golden light and all the energy of this incredible transcendence. And so I send you so much love from beautiful Lemuria, and join us, and I will see you in the temple. And I will see you through the beautiful golden age and the golden gateway of light. Much love, much love.